Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's start our revision. 7 is a factor of what? Is it a factor of 1, 3, and 9, 9, and 49, 45, 54, 28, and 35? It's gonna be a factor of a choice, yes, a choice D, this one, choice D. Why, teacher, is it a factor of this number exactly? Why it's not A or B or C? Ask yourself here, 7, this 7, it could be the 28. We can get it from the 7. The answer is yes, because here 7 multiplied by 4 give you 28. Now 35, how can we get from the 7 the 35? Yes, 7 multiplied by 5 equal 35. Because of this, 7 can be a factor of 35, 7 can be a factor of 28. But here in choice C, for example, why C we cannot take it? Here 45 we cannot get it by using the 7, right? The same for 54, the same for 9, but 49, yeah, we can do it. But what make choice B as wrong is this number, which is 9. Second question, question number 2. Which of the following is not a factor of 18? You know 18. If you want to know the factors of 18, just you should ask yourself, how could I can get 18 from multiplication table? So this 18, it can be as the easiest one, yeah, as we said, is 18 by 1. We can use also 2 multiplied by 9. We can use also 3 multiplied by 6, yeah. So the factors here are 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, and 6. He's asking here not. Which one is not a factor of 18? So here 2 can be a factor of 18, as you see. So I cannot choose any factor. So this one I cannot choose it. 3 is a factor, so I cannot choose it because he wants the one which is not. 9 is a factor, so I cannot choose it. Now 4, is it a factor? No, because of this I'm going to choose it because he wants the one which is not a factor. Next question. Which of the following is not a factor of 32? By the same way, I'm going to ask myself how to get the 32. 32, we can get it the easiest one, 32 multiplied by 1. We can get it also by using 2 multiplied by 16, also 4 multiplied by 8. All of these factors of 32. So the 1 factor, 32 factor, 2 factor, 16 factor, 8 is factor, 4 is factor. So 8 is it's a factor, so we cannot choose it. 3, is it a factor? We don't have any 3, so this one is not a factor, so we have to choose it. But 8, it's a factor, I will not. 4, it's a factor, I will not. Question number 4. 9 is a factor of what? 9 can be a factor of what number? One will tell me 1, 3, and 9. No, this is the factors of 9. The factors of 9 is 1 by 9 and 3 by 3. So take care of this. He's asking 9 can be a factor of what? 9 can be a factor of 9. Yes, it can be a factor of 9. But it cannot be a factor of 49 because we don't have any number multiplied by 9 give you 49. I'm speaking about whole numbers, of course. Now choice C. A choice C here we have 9 by what give you 45? Yes, 9 by 5. But 54, do we have 54? Actually, yeah, we have here. The first one is 9 by 5 give me 45, and 9 multiplied by 6 give you 54. So we can use 9 as a factor of 45 and as a factor of 54, so it's gonna be a choice C. Next question. Question 5. Which of the following is not a factor of 54? Cannot be a factor of 54. as we take before, I'm going to ask myself about 54. 54 here is, it can be 54 times 1. 54, it can be also 6 multiplied by 9. Also 54, it can be, yes, there is more. It can be 3 multiplied by 18. Also the 54 here, it can be 2, yes, multiplied by 27. All of these can be factors of 54. Now the question is, which of these is not a factor? 6, it's here, so I will not choose 6. The 4, we don't have any 4 here. But 9, yes, there is 9. 3, yes, there is a 3. So the one which is not is, yes, the factor 4. Next one, question number 6. He's asking about the 29. It can be prime or composite. Prime is a number which it has only 2 different factors, and composite it has many factors. So ask yourself about 29. You can get it only by one way, 29 multiplied by 1. Do you have any other one? No, we don't. Okay, so, and don't tell me that, yes teacher, we can do 2 multiplied by 14.5, for example, because I need only whole numbers. So here we have only 2 different factors, which is 1 and 29, so the choice is, yes, 29 is a prime number. Next question, question 7. By the same way, I need you to tell me 1, is it a prime or composite or neither? This one is a smarter question, because many students will say, teacher, 1 we can get it by 1 multiplied by 1, so it has 2 factors. No, it has only 1 factor, because we will not repeat. So with this one, it has only 1 factor, so you cannot say that it's a prime, you cannot say it's a composite, it's not a prime and composite as well. Question number 8. Which list is made up of multiples of 7? Multiples just to repeat the number or add the same number. The multiples of 7, 0, 7, add another 7, 14, and so on. So which one of those you can choose it or take it? You have only here this one, D, because here 7, multiple of 7 is 7, 14, and also 70. If you repeat the 7 one time, so it's a 7, another 7 give you 14, and 10 times give you 70. This one, 21 is okay, 35 is okay, 52 is not okay, because of this I cannot take it. Okay, this one, 19 is not okay, 26, 33, all of it wrong. This one, 14 is okay, 25 is not, 35 is okay. So we cannot choose A. Next question. Question number 9. Which of the following is not multiple of 9? So now ask yourself about multiples of 9. You will find that all of those can be except one of them. 45, if you repeat the 9 5 times, you can get it. So this one is a multiple, so I will not choose it. 18, if you repeat the 9 2 times, you will get 18. So this one is multiple, so I will not choose it because you need the one which is not. 54 is a multiple because because 9 repeated 6 times, you will get 54. So this one also I will not choose it. It's only 69 is not a multiple of 9. Next question, question 10. List 4 multiples of 8. Actually, you can start from the 0 here, then add another 8, give you 8, another 8, give you 16, another 8, yes, give you 24, another 8, give you, 32. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiples. I did one more, it's okay. Find the factors of 24. Ask yourself about 24. It can be what? As we said before, that the factors of 24, the easiest one is 24 by 1. So here we have 24 by 1. It's even number, so it can be multiple of 2. So 2 multiplied by 12. Also we can get it from 3 by 8. Also from 4 multiplied by 6. All of those factors of 24. So we have to list the factors here. I need you to list the factors. You can write 1, comma 24, comma 2, comma 12, comma 3, comma 8, comma 4, comma 6. You have to list them. The order is not important to put them in order. It's not important. Last question here. Ali wants to grow plants in his backyard in array. If he buys 18 plants, how can he arrange them? Actually here the 18, ask yourself, how can he arrange this 18? You know that 18 we can arrange it as 18 by 1. Also we have 9 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 9. Also we can use as a 3 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 3. All of these can be answers. So what you have to tell us here is that you can do it as one column, or one row and one column and 18 column, like this. One row, R for row, comma 18 column, or the other 18 row, comma 1 column. The second one here, 9 rows, comma 2 columns, or the other one, the opposite, 2 rows, comma 9 columns. The last one here, or the last two, 3 rows, comma 6 columns, or 6 rows, comma 3 columns. Okay, thank you for listening, and have a nice quiz inshallah. Get 4 mark inshallah. Have a nice time and have a nice weekend as well. Thank you for listening. Ma salama.